Hey there! In today's video, I will show you how to get from San Francisco International Airport to downtown San Francisco and beyond using Bay Area Rapid Transit, better known as BART. We begin at the departure level of Terminal 1, also known as Level 2. This guide will be the same no matter what terminal you're coming from. The first step will be making our way up to the AirTrain station. To do this, take the escalators or elevators up to Level 3. If you are coming from baggage claim, you'll be starting on Level 1. Once upstairs, follow signs for the AirTrain. Cross the road using the covered skybridge, then you can turn left or right to take one final escalator or elevator up to the AirTrain platform. Do note that BART is not a 24-hour service, and the trains run from 5 a.m. to midnight Monday through Friday, and a more reduced schedule over the weekend. Make sure to visit bart.gov for up-to-date schedules. The AirTrain is free to use and no ticket is needed to board. Once you arrive at the AirTrain platform, you will have a choice between a red line train or blue line train. Both will get you to the BART station, eventually. The red line goes clockwise around the terminals and garages, where the blue line goes counterclockwise and out to the rental car facility, which I'll release another video about. The station you board at will determine what line is fastest for you. From Terminal 1, it's the same time to take either the blue or red. But from, say, Terminal G, it would make much more sense to take the blue line because it's only one stop. The trains run very frequently, so no need to run for a train. The SFO AirTrain was built by Bombardier and was opened in 2003. It utilizes APM 100 trains, which can be found at other North American airports such as Seattle, Denver, and Atlanta. It is wild to me that in the US, we only use automated trains and platform screen door technology on people movers at airports. Hopefully one day it will be implemented on our metro systems. To save time at the BART station, I would recommend obtaining a Clipper card on your phone. The Clipper card is the Bay Area's all-in-one transit card. You can add a Clipper card by going to Apple Wallet or Google Pay, depending on your model of phone. Before going through the fare gates, you'll need to have enough funds loaded on your card. BART is a distance-based system, so each station will cost you a different amount. Once you have a Clipper card in your phone's wallet, use the fare calculator on BART's website. If you use Google Maps like me, it will actually tell you the cost of the trip included with the directions. The stop we are looking for is named Garage G as in golf and BART Station.
Garage G and BART Station.
If you aren't able to add a Clipper card to your phone, you can buy a physical card for $3 at the automated kiosks when you exit the AirTrain. There is a printed fare schedule with each station to let you know how much to add to your new Clipper card. Look for signs that say BART Trains to City and use your Clipper card to open the fare gate. Once you're through the fare gates, head down the escalator to the platform. Bye, planes. Two BART lines stop at SFO, the red and the yellow lines. Both the northbound red and yellow lines will take you to all downtown San Francisco stations, but they split in Oakland. Make sure your train says Richmond or Antioch as the final destination. If it says Millbrae, you're about to go the wrong direction. To find the best routing for your destination, use apps like Transit, Google Maps, or Apple Maps. BART has all new trains that were put into service starting in 2018, and the final deliveries were in 2024. They are very spacious and have room under the seats for luggage, as well as in the bike areas if they're not being used. There's no Wi-Fi on board, but cell phones do work in the tunnels. The ride takes 31 minutes to Embarcadero Station, which is the furthest downtown station and our stop today. Wherever your stop is, make sure to keep your Clipper card handy because you need to tap at the fare gates to exit. BART is a great way to get into San Francisco and bypass traffic. It saves you money while helping the environment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Enjoy your trip!